Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a great 4-day weekend. I just want to take a moment to reflect on some of the things that inspired me about Martin Luther King, since we were celebrating Martin Luther King this Monday and this week. And I know that he has done so much for our country, so much for civil rights, but it doesn't fall within the scope of my class, but I just want to share with you guys some of my most favorite quotes from Martin Luther King. And I hope when we have our sync meeting this week that you guys, if I missed one that you guys really love, feel free to share that out with the class when we have our sync meeting. All right, so the first one, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. Whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward, right? Just keep doing whatever you can. And I just think that this is so meaningful to us, especially right now with all the limitations that we feel like we have on ourselves right now with everything that's going on socially and with the pandemic. See, the second one I really love is that nothing in this world is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity. Right? So Martin Luther King was a huge proponent of education and public education and making sure everyone had equal access to education. And so I hope that you guys take advantage of all the opportunities that you all have. So here at Kennedy. If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way, right? So you don't have to go for something huge, right? You can hold the door for somebody, do it with a smile, right? And a good intention. I'm going through the drive-through the other day. Somebody ahead of me paid for my coffee, and it was just one of those small things that make somebody else's day wonderful, right? So it's those small things that make our lives so much better. And then lastly, and like I said, there are tons of these quotes and tons of bigger things that he did, right? That we should all be remembering and learning about. But the last one I'm going to leave you with for today is the time is always right to do what is right. And I think if we all live by that one, the entire world will be so much better off. All right, let's take a look at what we're doing this week. So this week we are learning about chemical reactions, right? So you guys are going to just get an introduction to chemical reactions because we have a really short week. So you're hopefully, by the end of your assignment in our synchronous meeting, going to be able to explain what a chemical reaction is and describe the signs that a chemical reaction is occurring. All right, so you only have one must-do assignment for this week. You're going to click on this and watch this video. You're going to answer the questions that pop up while you're watching it. And at the very end of the video, you have to click the submit button on the screen to turn it in. All right, so that's your assignment for this week. And then when we meet on Thursday or Friday, depending on your period, we're going to go into a little bit more depth about chemical reactions and finish up our introduction. All right, so have a great week. I will see you all on Thursday or Friday.